Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Belinda R Designs. It's cup number cup 1050438_43865. It's called Smiles and Sunshine Mini Card Kit. You get 4 sheets and there's lots of decoupage, and it fits a 7x7" square card. So we're going to take a look at the sheets and then we're going to make the card. The first sheet in the kit is the base image of the design. We've got lots of sentiments and we've got some decoupage butterflies as well. Our second sheet is the second layer for the front of the card to decoupage, and the sentiment strip as well to cut out and decoupage onto the front of the card. Our third sheet is the extra decoupage and the extra sentiment. Now you can use all the decoupage or just some of it if you want. And the fourth sheet is the insert and some of the smaller designs that you could maybe use on the back of the card. You could use them as gift tags or on the envelope. So those are the 4 sheets that you get in the actual kit itself. This is a white 7x7" square blank card, and the first thing that I'm going to do is on the back of the card I've taken one of the smaller designs. I've got flat tape on the back, that's flat double-sided tape, and I'm just going to position that through the back of the card slightly to the base in the centre, and that's going to just bring the whole card together with the design. Next I'm going to add the insert. So I've cut out the insert. Again, I've got double-sided flat tape on the back. Now if you don't have flat tape, maybe you use a tape runner, maybe you use wet glue, whatever you feel comfortable using. I always use the flat tape because for me it's quick and easy, and it saves getting, you know, my glue messy when I'm trying to rush to show you how to make the actual kit itself. So I'm going to add the insert panel into the card and press it down. There we go. And then I've taken one of the sentiments, it says with love. I've got flat tape on the back of that as well, and I'm just going to add that just to one side of the design. There we go. And I've got lots of room for my message and for whatever I want to say. So now we can create the outside. So the outside, I've taken the main design and I've just trimmed it down so it'll fit my card slightly. I've got flat tape on the back, so it's flat double-sided tape. And then I can add that to the card front and press it down. There we go. So that's the start of our card. Next, I've taken the next panel that I've cut out. I've got 3D foam on the back of this one, and I'm going to add this layer over the previous layer, marrying up the design. And that's what decoupage is, building a 3D image of the design that you're creating. So I can press that down. Next, I've got the sentiment panel that I've cut out. 3D foam on the back. And the sentiment says, sending you smiles and sunshine to brighten your day, just to let you know you're thought of in every special way. Pretty, very pretty. So I can add that over the previous layer. And then I've also got another layer of the sentiment. 3D foam on the back. And place that over the previous layer. Then I can decoupage the floral section. So I've cut out some of the flowers. I've got 3D foam on the back. And I can marry the design up and place the image over the previous image. The next layer of the beautiful roses, again on 3D foam, place those over the previous layer, and then the rose in the centre, again on 3D foam, position it just over the middle like so, and then I've got the two butterflies I've cut out. I've got 3D foam on either side, and I can just simply attach those to make them look as though they're flying off the page over the top of the butterflies on the main image. And that is our card finished. You can see those gorgeous layers and the way the butterflies look. It's such a pretty card. The inside matches perfectly and the back just brings it all together. It's a great card by Belinda, it really is. And I just want to remind you of the details. So it's cup 1050438 _ 43865. And you can check out any of Belinda's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and looking for Belinda R Designs. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.